Hey guys, it's Matt and Brittney.
Hey.
So as you can see, we're home.
Yeah, we're home. Staycationing.
Yeah. Because of the whole coronavirus thing, you know, we had travel plans, but you know, we decided to cancel those and reschedule for later time.
We live in our vacation spot, Hollywood, Florida, 15 minutes from Miami. So we're gonna make the best of it. And we're hoping you guys are doing the same. We're hoping you're staying safe. We really appreciate you guys following and you know, subscribing and commenting. Obviously, it's not the best situation, but we gotta make the best of it. You know, so that's kind of our thing. Good times. Oh, can they see that?
So instead of our trip, we're going to Miami.
Miami.
So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe.
You know, what you think about that? You think that's cool?
Yeah, I think it's cool. I think we did good. I think we're great. Yeah, great. Nice.
Start recording now. Oh, you are recording now.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Good.
Boop. Boop.
Brush your sunglasses?
Nope.
As I have mine on.
Guess we're going upstairs.
Come spend a little time with me. I love it when you wear that silk shirt, that's sexy. My service kinda bad in Miami, just text me. Trying to figure out how to figure.
Darker than the ocean, deeper than the sea. You got everything, you got what I need. Touch me, you're electric, babe. Move me, take me from this place. Moving to the tempo, show me what it takes. Speeding up my heartbeat, playing in the face. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to higher space.
Hey guys.
In Wynwood, Miami.
Yeah. We were going to go to South Beach, but we wanted to come to Wynwood. This is more of an area where a lot of locals come to. So we're going to go grab some tacos at Pollo Taco and just enjoy the day.
All right now, please.
And you brought me to my knees. Use me.
Okay, so we actually wound up coming to Wynwood Diner just because it was so packed at Pollo. But we are enjoying some really tasty drinks. Matt has a mojito. This is an interesting drink.
What's it called?
I don't know. But it's a cute cup, right? It's super cute.
That's what matters. All the cup is cute.
Yeah. So if you're ever in the Wynwood area, come check out this diner. It's actually, we're waiting on our food now. We got a burger.
Wynwood Diner, check it out.
Electric, babe.
Headed to the Wynwood walls.
Yeah. Whisper in my ear, I'm the only one you love and own. Take advantage of the moment, you're the only one that I want. No.
Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to outer space. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to outer space.
Wynwood Art District, you know, we're here checking out some sweet looking artwork, you know. Just got done having lunch.
months, so we're having a great time. Check it out.
Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to outer space. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to outer space.
It's hot out here, y'all. You know, we having a good time though. You know, we've been in, you know, Hollywood for a few years now. Never really explored Wynwood the best way we could.
Yeah.
You know, so we're loving it. You know, so.
Yeah, and if you're looking to travel to this destination anytime soon, people are keeping safe. It's not as busy as it usually is around spring break. It's, in my opinion, it's pretty quiet, but people are still, you can see some people wearing masks, and of course, stay safe. Hand sanitizers, and yeah.
That's right.